I'm Nichole Fecteau and introducing to you 74 Chick Road in Lebanon, Maine. If you have ever dreamed of having a ranch-style lifestyle, owning a lot of land, building a sustainable life, living off the land, having animals, this is the property for you. Not only are you out in the middle of 15.5 private acres, you're already set up for animal enclosures here. So we've got a farm pond, chicken coop already ready, horse paddock and walk-through stall, hay storage, and that doesn't even begin to touch the house. The house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, chalet-style home with a loft above, and it's tastefully updated and ready for you to occupy today. Additionally, there is a ½ mile of walking trails that start on this side of the house and circle around. They can also be used for riding. The other cool thing is that there's even a river that runs through this property, and it's large enough to be stocked. It has some great walking alongside of it and even a little island in it for fun and hopping around. I'm Nichole Fecteau with Better Homes and Gardens Masiello Group. This is 74 Chick Road. Thank you so much for visiting. Feel free to schedule a showing by giving me a call or sending me an email. I'll get right back to you. I'll be your huckleberry.